Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we would be solving the practice problem C++ input slash output. So first we would understand what is the problem and then we would move forward to the question answer. So let's start. So basically in this problem, 1 minute, this is, let the pen come, just 1 minute. So basically in this problem, we would be given two numbers and we need to multiply these numbers and print as an output the product. So basically C++ input slash output. In this problem, we would be given two numbers, for example A and B, and using these two numbers, we need to find the product. Okay, so what we would do is we would directly take a variable C. In this variable C, we would store the product of A multiply B. Okay, and then because the answer of this is stored in this, so we can directly return with this. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem. Now do not get confused that over here it is mentioned C++ input and output, so that you can only solve this problem in C++. No, that is not true. You can do it in any language. For example, Python, C++, C and Java. Okay, so you can use any programming language to solve this problem. We would be using Python. So basically we would take a variable C in which we would store the product of A multiply B and then we would just return with the value of C. So this is the solution for the problem. Now let's solve it. First let me clean the screen. And now let's go to the practice portal. Over here, remember you need to choose the school section, then only you would be able to see the school problems. After that you select it, you need to find the problem C++ input slash output. Okay, so let's do this. Wait one moment. Let me clean the screen. Okay, so this is the problem. Let's read it. Given two integers A and B, your task is to return their product. Okay, so you are given two integers A and B and you need to return their product. So over here we would start with the code. Now like I just told you, we would take a variable C and in this variable C we would store the product. So that would be equal to A star B. Okay, so this is A multiply B. Okay, now once the result is stored in C, we need to return with the value of C. So 1 moment. So return with the value of 1 minute. It should be in lowercase. So return with the value of C. Okay, so this is the solution for the program, but we cannot be sure until we test it out. So first we would click on compile and run. So let's compile and run. It is getting compiled. We need to wait. Okay. Now let's check if our output is matching with the expected output. Okay. So it is matching. That means our initial test cases are passing. Okay. So now we can move forward and submit the problem. Okay. So give me 1 moment and let me click on submit. It is getting submitted. So let's wait. Okay, so see, it is solved successfully. All the test cases have been passed. So this is how you solve the practice problem C++ input slash output. So I hope that you learned something new today and it was a helpful session for you. If you guys have enjoyed today's session, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.